Hi guys, it's Mrs. Barry. I'm here to talk to you about what you will be doing today in Read 180. So we are going to be doing what we normally do on Tuesdays. So on Tuesdays, we do half the period independently reading and half the period on software. So I want you to do 25 minutes of student application because you will be getting a technology grade each week. So every Friday, I am going to go on and see, make sure your average minutes is between 20 and 25, and you'll be getting a grade. Then I want you to read 20 minutes of your Read 180 independent book. So some of you have the book on the computer, and some of you have an actual book, but it needs to be a Read 180 book. And if you are reading online, I can check and I will be checking the minutes you read. So if you just read for 5 minutes and create a summary, I'll know. So make sure you're reading for 20 minutes because reading is important. It's more for every subject, and the more you read, the better you'll do. So you need to create a summary after you read 5 to 6 complex sentences that demonstrate your understanding of the text. So I don't want a summary like George and Harold Save the World. I want you guys to show me that you really knew and understand what you're reading, and you can even put your opinions in it. You can say, I can relate to this character, or I don't agree with what this character did, or the setting sounds really beautiful. And just try to get really involved in your book. So here you're going to put your Lexile level. It will tell you when you log into Read 180 Independent Reading the name of your book, the Lexile level of your book, the page you started, so like 20, let's say, the page you ended, 25, and then your summary is what you put here, and you could do something like this. Today in chapter 5, Harry and Ron went to Hagrid's house. And then you would just keep going, and you could put how the character felt, how you felt, but you really want to make sure that you have 5 to 6 sentences, and make sure you are putting capitals in the beginning and periods at the end. Okay, if you have any questions, please let me know.